Hey guys, good night. Sorry you guys can't see my face. I look like a hot mess. But you guys, I'm planning on doing a vision board. I never did a vision board before. And I just so have these magazines sitting up here for months. I'm just going to see what I can find in these magazines. And hopefully some of my visions are in are in the magazine. So yeah. I can't believe I'm doing a vision board. Oh my god. Anyways, guys, I'll see you guys in my next clip. You guys, I finished my first vision board for 2022. Oh my god. Hey guys, what is up? What is up? Anyways, you guys, so it's the next day. Your girl put on some makeup and I got on some body riders. Yes, sir. Anyways, like I said, the day is the next day from I can't look at my vision board. Like, you know what it is just to see everything that you envision come to life. Like, girl. And let me tell you something. I'm not telling anybody my plans. Alright? I'm not telling anybody ish. You're just gonna see when it happens. Like, I don't care how cool we are, how close we are. I'm not telling you nothing until it's done. And most people, like, I know, like, we are basically in the same shoe, baby. Like, we are basically in the same shoes. So you really don't have nothing to offer me. Like, it's not beneficial to me by me telling you my plan and my business. Like, the most we get going for ourselves is a 9 to 5. So what am I telling you? And people get their own problems they are going through and shit. Like, they don't have the answers that I need. And you know, some people just want to hear your plan to mock at you and laugh at you and just talk shit. And you know what? I'm not about that life right now. Like, I'm trying to stray away from negativity. You know, like, I've been negative mostly all my life. You know, I'm just trying to break old habits. And I don't need nobody to be putting me down. And what do you need to tell people their business for anyways, you know? Just to say you have a plan? Just to hear yourself talk? Listen, I got 2 mirrors in my room, 2. And when I'm ready, I talk to those bitches, alright? Which is me. I talk to me. Let me tell you something. Learn to talk to you. Learn to be your own friend. Because who gonna snitch on you? Who gonna snitch on you? Not you. But yeah, I just came on here to, try and give somebody some encouragement. But anyways, guys, I have, some things to do around the house. I have to wash some underclothes because the weather's looking a little, and I don't want my clothes to get stink and, get wet so they turn stink. But anyways, guys, I'm just gonna straighten up my room and then I'm gonna wash some underclothes out and hang them up in my room and put the fan on them, baby. Cause listen, washing on your hand is no picnic. No picnic. Hey babe, so anyways you guys, so I decided that I'm gonna take a stroll today because the weather outside is beautiful. Baby, you cannot beat it. I was like, girl, take a walk in the ghetto. Let's take a walk in the ghetto today. I worked out this morning. I ate good. So I'm feeling good. I'm feeling really good. And when it's cold like this, it puts me in a good mood. So I'm just walking on here by my cousin just to chill for a little bit. Then I'm gonna head back home. But the weather is so freaking nice. I always feel like somebody can hear me. So hey babes, so I'm back home. I just got back home like after, I don't know, after 7 or 8, I don't know, and it's after 9. So as you can see, I'm getting ready for bed. My neck is hurting. You guys, the day was great, but I also learned something today, which I will share with you guys in future videos, because tonight is not tonight to talk about that, or tomorrow. But today was a good day overall. And the weather is so freaking nice, you guys. Like, I just love the cold weather. Like, I sleep good, I get more things done, I'm so productive. Like, my mood overall is just magnificent. Like, the cold weather always has me in a good mood. But even though I be cold as shit, like, sometimes I cannot take the cold, but I like the cold so much because I hate the heat. I really do hate the heat. I just gotta try, up my iron. Anyways, guys, I'm just gonna go and put on my socks, my long socks. I guess I'll see you guys in the morning. So bye, guys. You want a picture by yourself?
No, it's a hot.
That's nice thing. Must be nice. Holding hands and walking must be nice. Ciao. Y'all go.
Yes, with you.
Get your ass. I'm dragging some slut on a bunch of fools. Can't be that serious. Gosh. People are breaking fucking window for that. Yeah, girl.
That looks like a TV.
Hey, babe. So, anyways, we're heading into Kelly's real quick. Just,
I want to say hi.
I'm just coming out the house. You want to say hi for what?
Hi, guys.
That's the next one of my little cousins. I have like 2,000 of those. You need to buy a hand sanitizer. Oh, candles. I always see YouTubers have candles and stuff like that. And girl, like, I want to start buying candles because I like candles as well. But bitch is broke.
Big bowl candles.
I am broke. Let me stop claiming that. Let me stop saying that, even though I am. But they smell too good. You can imagine if you live with your mom and you buy candles and things like these girls are really romantic like them. They really have they smell like freaking medicine. He said with the top must he smell good.
This one. You like this one?
I like this one. This one smells good. Sea salt. That smells nice. But these are too expensive. I can't afford that. That smells good too. I can't wait until I have my own money. Like, I can't wait till I have my own money. I can't wait. Get your gift then. Yeah. I want to use too. I buy one of these. Get it off. Get it. Get it.
This is what I should get for Christmas, but I want something else. Leave it. I got a gun bottle. I got a gun bottle.
You got a what?
A gun bottle.
Close this thing up, man. Close the jacket up.
Big boss. I want to say something on the camera.
What you want to say?
I say I never spend candles in my life.
You never smell candles in your life? None of us, because we are broke.
I know it's fine because she's again. I guess it's too expensive.
Hey, Alicia.
I think mommy, I have some like cartoons.
I need rolling, man. Look. You don't get free to me. Ooh, it's a cute black doll. She is cute, girl. She is giving. She is giving. What the hell she is? A zookeeper? She is cute. She is thick. She is thick.
I see your pen.
Girl, we are looking for you. A girl, you know I ain't got no money. So anyways, I'm just here for, oh Jesus, she passed me. Child, I'm just here for the video footage. I have no money. Yeah, that's why I get the hell up out of here. You know. Alright you guys, so we're in the mall now, the big park. You wanna buy something? From here. Tell me how much money you have. What cute?
Let's see about that.
That is cute.
Let's
Huh?
see about that.
You have $1.
Okay, so what I can buy with it? I'm gonna buy a first one.
Come on, eat. You wanna eat? Oh yeah, not bad. Girl, like I knew it was something I was supposed to do. I was supposed to come back on here and end the vlog. Girl, listen. And I took off my wig, got in bed. Ugh. Yeah. I don't know how much footage I got, but yeah, I just came on here to end the vlog. This will be the end of this vlog. Okay, I don't know how much footage I get, but yeah, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.